Have you ever sat down to create an e-learning course and found yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure of where to start? Hello and welcome to WizCabin. Today, we'll be learning about how to create a solid outline for your storyboard. In this video, we'll cover the key steps: plan, design, and develop. Let's dive in. Here are the steps to create an effective learning storyboard. Let's get started. Step 1. Defining learning objectives is an essential step in the design of an effective and efficient learning experience. The learning objectives are the knowledge or skills you want your learners to acquire. They will guide the content and design of your storyboard. Next, we can learn about choosing the content. Step 2. Choose your content format. Choosing the right format is important because it will determine how well your content is received and understood. Let's view some examples. Text, written articles, blog posts, infographics, etc. Audio, podcasts, audio recordings, audiobooks, etc. Video, animated videos, live-action videos, screencasts, etc. Interactive, quizzes, gamification, simulations, etc. Visual, images, slides, graphs, etc. Choose a format that best suits your content and audience, keeping in mind factors such as audience preferences, complexity of information, and desired learning outcomes. How to organize your content. Now we will see the next step. Step 3. Organize your content. Arrange the content into a logical sequence that follows the learning objectives. Think about the flow of information and the most effective way to present it. Here are some tips for organizing your content. Start with a clear introduction that sets the stage and provides context. Divide the content into smaller, manageable chunks and use headings and subheadings to break up the information. Use a logical and sequential order to present the information. This could be chronological, from simple to complex, or cause and effect. Use visuals such as images, videos, or diagrams to help illustrate and reinforce key concepts. Next, we will look at how to include multimedia elements. Step 4. Incorporate multimedia elements. Use elements such as images, videos, and animations that can make your content more engaging and interactive. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of using multimedia in your content. Breaking up long blocks of text and making the content more visually appealing. Helping learners understand complex concepts by providing visual aids and illustrations. Enhancing engagement and interaction by providing a variety of media formats for learners to engage with. Making the content more dynamic and keeping learners interested. When incorporating multimedia elements, it's important to consider the following. The multimedia elements should be relevant to the content and add value to the learning experience. The multimedia should be of high quality and appropriate for the target audience. The multimedia should be optimized for different devices and delivery platforms to ensure a seamless experience for learners. Let's see how interactive activities are created. Step 5. Create interactive activities. Use quizzes, simulations, and games to help learners apply their knowledge and retain the information. Provide clear instructions and feedback for the activities. Here are some benefits of using interactive activities. Encouraging active learning. Interactive activities help learners apply their knowledge and actively participate in the learning process. Improving retention. Interactive activities can increase learner engagement and make the content more memorable, resulting in improved retention of information. Assessing comprehension, quizzes and assessments provide a way to measure learner understanding and ensure they have grasped key concepts. Making learning fun, interactive activities such as games and simulations can make learning more enjoyable and engaging. When creating interactive activities, consider the following. Make sure the activities are relevant to the content and learning objectives. Ensure the activities are well designed and engaging for learners. Provide clear instructions and feedback for the activities. Use a variety of activity types, such as quizzes, simulations, and games, to keep learners interested and engaged. By incorporating interactive activities into your content, you can create a more engaging and effective learning experience for your learners and help them retain the information. Now let's look at planning assessments. Step 6. Plan your assessment. Planning assessments is an important step in the design of an effective learning experience. Assessments can help you gauge the learner's understanding of the material and provide an opportunity for learners to apply what they have learned. Incorporating assessments into your content is a crucial step in the learning process. Let's take a look at some benefits of including assessments. Measuring understanding. Assessments provide a way to gauge learner comprehension and understanding of the material. Fostering active learning. By answering questions and applying their knowledge, learners are encouraged to actively participate in the learning process. Encouraging retention. Assessments can reinforce important concepts and help learners retain information. When planning assessments, consider the following. Align assessments with your learning objectives. Make sure the assessments measure the key concepts and skills that you want learners to gain from your content. Use a variety of assessment types. Consider using multiple-choice questions, true/false questions, short answer questions, and other types of assessments to provide a comprehensive evaluation of learner understanding. Provide clear instructions. Ensure that learners understand what is expected of them and how the assessment will be graded. By including well-designed assessments in your content, you can ensure that learners are able to apply what they have learned and receive valuable feedback on their performance. Now we move on to the final step, which is finalizing the storyboard. Step 7. Finalize your storyboard. Review the storyboard for accuracy and make any necessary changes. Ensure that all multimedia elements are properly incorporated and that the interactive activities and assessments are working correctly. Here are a few tips to ensure your storyboard is accurate and ready for delivery. Review the content. Check that all the content is accurate, relevant, and up to date. Ensure that the content is clear and easy to understand. Check multimedia elements. Ensure that all multimedia elements, such as images, videos, and animations, are properly incorporated and working correctly. Check for any technical issues such as broken links or incorrect file formats. Ensure accessibility. Make sure that your content is accessible to all learners, including those with disabilities, by incorporating accessibility features such as closed captions and alternate text for images. By thoroughly reviewing and finalizing your storyboard, you can ensure that your content is of high quality and ready to deliver to your learners. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create an interactive e-learning storyboard that engages your learners and helps them acquire the knowledge and skills they need to be successful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others.